So let's see this picture. So is this picture attractive? Say for example, you have this picture, your architect is showing you this picture. So this is the living area that I've designed. So is this attractive? No, right? So, but when you look at this picture, it gives you a meaning, right? So there is a difference when you see it with colors or without colors. There is a difference, right? Okay. So think of an object that you like the most. Can you guys think of any object that you like the most? Maybe it might be your water bottle or your phone, any item. So the first thing that you connect is the color, right? The color of that particular item, correct? So that's how important color is. Yes, when you think of an item that you like, the first thing that strikes you, it's colors, right? And look at these symbols without even telling what any description, you know what it means, right? So that's how powerful color is. So it is a mode of communication, right? So today we'll be talking about colors. So have you ever wondered why am I not able to select colors properly? Like even if you're not a designer, while choosing your clothes or any item. So you might get a thought, right? I'm not choosing it correctly. The color combinations are not nice. Okay. If that is a thought, then I have a solution for you. So today we'll be learning about color theory. Okay. So color theory will help you determine which color goes well with what color. Okay. And how to create a beautiful or a pleasing space with colors. Okay. So also this you can implement it anywhere. Your colors of the dresses that you choose can be anything. The logo that you design, presentations that you do. Okay, so this can be implemented anywhere. Okay, to start with color theory, you can always see this color wheel. Okay, so let's not get so much in detail into physics, but there are two types of color wheels. Okay, red, yellow, blue color wheel and red, green, blue color wheel. Okay, so this color wheel is, for example, you guys are seeing this webinar through your phones or laptops, right? So your laptops and phones, it uses RGB colors, color scheme. Okay, whereas the painting that you do with your hand or the textile prints, okay, whatever you do manually, whatever the artist comes and do it manually, it is all RYB color wheel. Okay, so this is mainly for the digital use and this is for the manual use. So today we'll be concentrating on our RYB color wheel. Okay, so in a color wheel there are 12 colors. Okay, out of which 3 colors are called primary colors. So these 3 are the primary colors here: red, yellow and blue. So these 3 are the main colors in the color wheel. Okay, so as I told you, there are 12 colors in the color wheel. So these 3 colors, if you see, they are placed at an equal distance from each other. Okay, yellow, red and blue. Coming to secondary colors. So you get a secondary color when you add 2 primary color. Okay, so your secondary colors are green, orange and purple. So yellow is your primary color, red is your primary color, blue is your primary color, right? So when you add blue and yellow together, you get green, which is a secondary color. Okay. Similarly, when you add yellow and red together, you get orange, which is a secondary color. Same way, blue and red together will give you violet, which is a secondary color. Okay, so you have your yellow here, primary color, blue here, primary color, and red here, primary color, and these are your secondary colors. Okay, so this is the color wheel. Okay, so we are done with primary and secondary color. Now coming to tertiary color. So when you add one primary color with one secondary color, you get tertiary color. So you have 6 tertiary colors. I'll show you. So yellow is a primary color, red is a primary color, blue is a primary color, right? So when you add blue and yellow, you get green, which is a secondary color. When you add yellow and red, you get orange, which is a secondary color. When you add red and blue, you get purple, which is a secondary color, right? So when you add one primary color with one secondary color, you get this tertiary color, right? So similarly, when you add purple and red together, you get magenta, which is a tertiary color. So this is how your primary, secondary, and tertiary colors are categorized. Okay, understood? Any doubts? You can put a thumbs up if you understood.